Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into an important topic that affects many of us late payments on our credit reports. Alright, how do you get a late payment removed from your credit report? Well, you can't remove a correctly reported one. However, if it was reported in error, the process involves filing a dispute with the credit bureau. Be cautious of companies claiming they can remove accurate information for a fee. That's a red flag. If you find an error, file a dispute with the credit bureau responsible. Remember, if the same error appears across all three major credit bureaus, you'll need to file separate disputes. Once submitted, the bureau will investigate, and if the late payment was indeed reported in error, it will be removed. In a nutshell, remember that accurate late payments stay put, but you can dispute errors. Keep an eye on your credit by setting up automatic payments and monitoring regularly. And hey, if you're a Capital One customer, check out CreditWise for free access to your credit report and score. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.